How do you get up there?
Did you hear the news? Sawyer, Michael and Gin are off.
Look at that. Yeah, do it.
If you need anything, I can.
Look at that.
I've not seen
Come
him.
on.
He's probably up building a coconuts.
You can do it.
Oh, the squeals.
Come on. Come on. Say, this is my chair. I can get in it. Come on.
Not quite.
There we go. There we go. Look at that.
Oh, baby.
Look at that. Who is so smart? Yeah. Good job, Munchkin.